is EADSY, and he's getting smoked in it, and he has no idea what to do.
Oh
He
my
says,
God.
he said, I bought it a week ago. Should I get out now or wait it out?
No, get out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out of this one.
Yeah.
This one, it had its fucking dead cat bounce right here, and then overhead resistance caught up to it. Weakness. This probably goes lower back towards this 12 area. That's what the price action says. So I don't think you wait this one out. This is fucking trash.
Yeah, this is like for all the airline. Hopefully Garrett cuts this in like a 1 minute video. For all the airline people, like 2 weeks ago, they're like, "This airlines are back." Da, da, da.
Yeah,
it's like when you were buying this,
for that, huh?
yeah, now it's fine. But this is a perfect example. When they were buying, for this Airbus, basically above 20 was when everyone was really pumping it. Now you're getting smoked in it, and if it does come back down to 12, you're down 50%. So for us, we aim for 5 to 1. You'd have to get 250% out of the stock. The stock has to go back to 100 for you to make that risk back. And this is the exact reason why we try to avoid the names that 99% of people on Robinhood or StockTest are telling you to buy, because they're usually always so late. And this is an exact reason. Now he's panicking. He's trying, no matter what he's going to do, whether he pukes out tomorrow or the next day or tries to ride it out. It's just a trade that could have been easily avoided had he asked this before he put the trade on. So we just told him that's a stupid idea. Now we have to tell him it's stupid, but he has to lose money.
Hey,
So.
you never learn a lesson like losing money, okay? He's going to be better next time.